our kitty can draw friends. Leaves are falling into our sketchbook. Let's make them silly, wacky, and totally awesome. Let's start drawing. First, draw a diagonal line for the stalk. And draw half an oval shape on each side. Make them have pointy ends. Watch till the end to know the names of these leaves. Now let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. With a curve inside each of them. Then color it. Draw a half circle for the smiley mouth. For the second shape, draw another line going upwards diagonally to the right. Draw a curved line coming down from the top on each side. Then draw the same shape but smaller on each side. Repeat the bigger shape on each side. Followed by the smaller one twice on each side. Now draw the eyes similarly, but maybe make them look the other direction. Draw a curved line for the mouth, then a half circle under it. Color the inside of the mouth. For the third leaf, draw the stalk similarly. Then draw half a heart shape on each side. Just make them upside down. For these eyes, I'm gonna draw half a circle with a curved line at the bottom, then a curve inside, then color it similarly. For the other eye, I'm going to draw a curve to make a winking eye. Draw the mouth the same as the second leaf. Draw the last stalk and make it longer. Draw a half circle at the bottom of the stalk. And draw a wavy line connecting each side to the top. For this leaf, I'm going to draw 2 curved lines for the eyes and the mouth the same as the last 2. You can add some details to the leaf, such as diagonal lines coming down from each side of the stalk. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You are gonna repeat the same pattern on the third leaf. For the second leaf, you can draw the same thing on the top part. Then draw a line connecting the stalk to each of the pointy ends. Then draw small lines coming out from each side of these lines. For the last leaf, draw lines connecting the stalk to each of the curves. Then draw small lines coming out from each side, the same as the last leaf. Well done! Now you can draw funny fall leaves. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. Can you guess the name of these leaves? My guess, the one on the left is the elm leaf. The second one is the maple. The third one is the birch. And the last one is the oak leaf. Do you think I'm right? Enjoy drawing and coloring.